Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a glider at home with paper. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need one standard sheet of 8.5 by 11-inch paper. While not strictly necessary, a ruler can be incredibly helpful for achieving precise folds, which directly impacts your glider's flight. Also, make sure you have a flat, hard surface available to create those crisp, clean creases. Let's get folding. Now, let's create the basic shape for your glider. First, fold your paper in half lengthwise and then unfold it. This gives you a crucial center crease. Next, take the top two corners and fold them inward so their edges meet perfectly along that center line. After that, fold those new top edges inward once more, again aligning them precisely with the center. These initial folds form the nose and provide structural integrity. It's time to give your glider its wings. Take the entire top section you've just folded and bring it down, leaving approximately 1 inch of paper visible at the bottom edge. Now, fold the two top corners inward once more, ensuring they meet at the center to form a sharp, pointed nose. Finally, fold the entire glider in half along that very first center crease you made, keeping all your previous folds neatly tucked inside. This creates the main body. For the final touches, fold down each wing along the body of the glider, creating a flat, even surface for flight. It's crucial that both wings are as symmetrical as possible. This balance is key for stable and long-distance gliding. Make any small adjustments to ensure everything is even. When you're ready to launch, hold your glider gently and throw it forward with a slight upward angle. Experiment with different launch strengths to find the perfect flight path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.